And here we go. There's the otter.
Lieutenant!
And we just walked up that giant hill here to the top of the hill exhibits, which first thing we come to when you get to the top is the bald eagle exhibit, which is kind of nice because we got a bald eagle right here up at the glass. You see that one? Real right up close. You like that, bud? As you can see, there's one in the back there. There's usually like 3 or 4 of them in here. First time we see them on this close. From here, if you go up here to the left, start going up more of a hill to where there's grizzlies, sea otters, a bird exhibit, and we'll take you guys up there with us. They also have this little place for kids. It's like a chuck wagon, slide, steps, bars. On the other side to climb up is a little rock wall as well for the kids. They also have these little play cabins up here for kids as well. There's 2 different ones. There is a pathway over here to get to the back of this first one on the left for obviously older kids and adults. And then on this one, there's a pathway here on the right side with a big door for parents and big kids to go into to watch their little ones as well. And as you can see, there's the doorway to go in. So, just something else to keep in mind when you're here at the Akron Zoo. And up here they have a barn owl as well. Along with being up here, there is a flower garden as well. Which, as you can see, it's very big. And over in that building as well, they also do a little wild critter show as well. Up here in the Africa section, they have redone their train here. It is now a solar powered train, which runs on blacktop. Takes you behind all the exhibits up here as well.
My name is Mandy. I'll be your engineer today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a trip to Pride of Africa at the Akron Zoo. We ask that you remain seated during your entire ride, keeping your head, hands, and feet inside your car at all times. All aboard!
All aboard!
What's the train say?
Choo-choo!
Okay. Can I see the one in there?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
I just thought they were big. Like got big, and I thought those guys were babies.
Right.
But they're full grown, isn't that? It's adorable.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I didn't think there were a miniature.
Down there. A male and female. So I guess if we get pairs like that, we're hoping to like get breeding recommendations for them. So the exciting baby animals, right?
Right.
Who doesn't love them?
Right. Plus, then it's nice to know the species are gonna expand.
Yes, it is. Isn't it?
Here we have some white storks.
Aren't they like
Gazelle.
babies, right?
Looks like a baby, but that's actually full grown from what we were told by one of the people that work here. So, pretty tiny gazelle.
Well, yeah, like on TV, you always see them like
And it's nice that they actually have a misting pad over here for people to go through on hot days like today. So that'll probably feel good here in a little bit. You got the lions over here, the male and down here.
Can I put some more sunscreen on you guys? It's kind
And the female.
No way, not
Look, I don't want you to get sunburned, bud.
At least let me get your arms in the neck. Look, I'll take on my hands and I won't do anything. I won't spray. Here, take your sunglasses off so I can get your face.
No way! I see the wrinkly line. Did you not spoil it?
She's just sitting here.
And I'm not.
We'll get looks.
I do.
And here you got another view of their habitat. But the lions like to pretty much sleep in over there, that place over there. And up here they have the aviary. There's a little indoor exhibit you can walk through with some birds. Nice little bridge. A couple of the birds down there. See the turkey right there. Here you can also get a good view of what they're doing construction-wise on the Asia area as well. And it sounded like there was just some thunder, so we might have to hurry up and get this video taken care of fast. And after the birds, we keep walking up the path and you come up to the grizzly bear exhibit. So let's see what we can find up here. Bear.
Wait, say hi. Look, he's looking at you. Mara, she's gonna go get her. Can you give him a high five? High five, Bear. She's gonna get it after we do the slide. He's swimming. Whoa, he's swimming. Look at how big he is. He's swimming. It's okay. He's just going for a swim.
Oh no, let's butt down.
Can you go down there?
Let's butt down.
Say, turn this way, Mr. Bear. Turn this way.
He's getting pulled off in the water, huh?
Hey, come here. Hey, come here.
Hey,
Another side of the exhibit you can get to see the bears from. You got this one that was in the water, and you got that one that's lazy and sleeping. I think it's starting hibernation early. But then as we continue up past there, we're up towards the otter exhibit. And if you go up there, that's where you can go to a slide that you go through the otter exhibit, which I'll show you up over here. See how the clear tube children can slide through, and the otters swim around the slide. Both of them are actually out today too. Which we will go up and do for you. And as you all heard, that was thunder. Which, as you can see, it's not starting to look too pretty out. But this is the slide you can go through. So, here we go. See how bad this can go. And here we go. There's the otter.
Lieutenant!
See them just swimming around.
My turn! I think...
There they are again.
I got them!
Usually do through the
And this one just over here swimming along.
otter shower.
They're kind of both over there just swimming around the slide. But you'll see our son come down through the slide here in a second. See? Right through the water. Is that fun? One more time. Okay, that's enough. And then the last thing that they have here is the flamingos, which I'm pretty sure everyone around has seen flamingos, but this is pretty much the last thing that they have here. Thank you guys for visiting with us at the Akron Zoo. I hope you enjoyed it. Apparently that bird did. So thanks again for joining the Hoops Family Network. Talk to you guys later.